To fix this error, first repair or reset the game. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and find the game in the list. Click the three dots next to it, select Advanced Options, scroll down, click Terminate, and then choose Repair. Once the repair is done, launch the game and check. If it still doesn't work, go back and click Reset, then try launching the game again. If the issue continues, run the Gaming Services Repair tool. Open the Xbox app, click your profile icon, go to Support, and select Gaming Services Repair tool. Click Start Repairing and allow the process to complete. After it finishes, launch the game again and check. Finally, verify and repair the game files. In the Xbox app, right-click the game, select Manage, go to Files, and click Verify and Repair. Let the process complete, then launch the game. One of these steps should fix the error. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.